And day Net2 TV presenter na se host a mother see show yam papa Justice Kwaku Annan I ne ho akwakwa ka adwamu pa eye ena me nsem kan ye bia wo kan ye de efa yam papa a chese wono oye previous inspector general of police IGP ye papa a chese Mr. David Asante apietu wo kan ensem de efa ne ho no ene de ye papa yi de no akwakwa kopie mu wo kota wo chiremu a wa ka ensem bi de afa ne ho anase wa defame no in so many ways no ntino Justice Kwaku Annan Emma Bonte no wo memeyi no ho anu wo ba won fa evidence and approve e je se ne nsem anu wo ka de fa no nyina ne wo mu won fa embra no wo de ba na ye court ye hwehwemu no wo mu se ampa de ya papa Justice Kwaku Annan ka ye wo mu e dia na embra no ese no wo mu ne no edi na se enimu susu edi a ene wo no susu no na embra no ene no edi no se ne ese obi bi so se eden e na ye papa Justice Kwaku Annan aka ebusia form Mobeka yam ebra ye ensenseme sorry ye say ye chichi enkofo a na dodo na Nigeria for e na ewom efa kronobo a ekoso ewo mayi emu eho no eno nam so ema ye papa Justice Kwaku Annan na di sembi bebetu edwa ewo Net2 TV the see show eso ekasem ye previous IGP ye papa Mr. David Asante apietu wono ne eye enkufo bi ewo onuma Nigeria for no wo mo eda wo mo payroll so every month bi ye chesika pupuduro ede ema wo mo enunti ena ema wo mo entimi enche wo mo na de no kro ne da no wo mo entimi enye den emfa ento ema wo kekan ye se Nigeria for bi no mo te ye kwabenya eno ko ne ba dane da edura na jofan kese wo mo exhibit eye cars a wo mo echirete betimi atoka we no nko ne banti wo mo pa chese wo mo enim de ekoso anam eno kwapo nam so ma Nigeria ambassador wo wa ase kompo be kasa ye editi ase adabi de wo ka no de encheye ayetam ebetimi ede eye entokwa ne wontuanji ayede aba eye wo manu emute de DSC awo South Africa no etuonja kam na nanto amaye papa Mr. Asante apietu aba bonten Agyapong wode eye Justice Kwaku Annan ene Net2 TV wode wa makokopie mu ewo court ede afa ensem no eho na ebusuafo se dem di kan ye no ye bekokwakotie ye papa Justice Kwaku Annan ensem o kan ye no ntia ma ene dem ye previous inspector ye general of police nensem anase ni siwa waba be siwu no ye de eno so waba beto edwane ansa na bekokwakotie ni mekai mo SM Ochade Herbal Center ene so yasin ema ye di adwumadie no eba so mu se diabetes ena hawo enti hyewa ya remetre asthma bema wo bema so na pese enye kese ochade ese fa ne number ewo screen no eso ne ntwetwe enkomo ana so bitimo akona so esom ewo dansoman ena ebiem so tamale na wo ya re no atimi etu ase ede amo na ebusiafo yeto ensem no eso yenkotie die Justice Kwaku Annan kan ya nunti ama enede IGP esiu no ye ba ye beto aso
police service embe kan kire me say wo mu nim sa notorious armed busy but they are here. Ghana Police Service, you know them. I am going to mention their names. Why haven't you arrested them? And I'm going to tell you how police officers, including some IGPCB, might treat Sankrofo with kid gloves. Because some top police officers are on their payroll. Yes. And you'll be nice to IGP. If you want to battle this, come and Net2 TV the seat will assist you. But I cannot trust most of your men. These guys, some Mrantie, they pay a lot of police top officers in Ghana police every month. Yes, IGP, I'm telling you this. Me say, some notorious criminals, police in Peninfobi or what Benimua, they pay them every month. A bidin receive 10,000 Ghana cedis. You won't believe this. I am telling you this. And if you are, some notorious armed robbers produce a calendar wo man mu calendar no omo ye no every president bi a waba right from Rawlings to when no omo de ne picture ashe calendar no so far the only person omo ntimi fa ni picture enye calendar is the current president, His Excellency Akufo-Addo. Yes, and the reasons I will tell you one day. Now Shadia Ibisa question. Former IGP Ora David Apietu's administration. Some rent you know them. Ora Apietu, former IGP, may say, you know some notorious armed robbers here, you know them. What did you do? And these armed robbers still hang in the confines of our republic. Now, police of Ghana police, every weekend, some places to do Kwabenya. Some Nigerians see egu honum anadwo from 12 a.m. And who said, when we hear them, they are doing a competition in their Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz are canon netono and yet easy no. Boy, see to me, competition. Now, competition in Mercedes-Benz is not just competition. Displaying of their guns, open guns, fire range. Every Saturday. No, Ghana police, Musamonte, Munya intelligence on this. Why have you left them? I didn't tell them to be arrested. Former IGP, you know this. What have you done? What did you do? Who predecessor? Woman information. Who appear to me. See, you know these people. Here, sir, Nigerian top criminals who Mugu Ghana. When we defrauded and including said they have used the name of the Republic of Ghana at the idea to foreign companies and foreign kinds of multinational companies in the name of Ghana. Emma ne koyete say sikana omugie no ekoyete say government of Ghana in secure says can no as a notorious criminals wo wia no mu use nkrofo e dey solace e dey no mu dey koyi scan free banks. They are here. Now mama mo mu di nchiro Ghana police ochina mu issue a statement. Tell me you don't know them if they are not on the police wanted list. One, the ringleader in your friend name Odugba Benson, police munim no. Have you arrested him? If not, why? Odugba Benson, he's a Nigerian national, one of a notorious criminal. Nigeria for crash. Ghana is here. He finds Ghana as a safe haven. And imagine a time. And Ghana police in Pennyfloor, munim sa criminal way, and the mood treating say, oh, you're madam for because he pays some of the officers. Yes, I grown ye. We know. The next person, your friend Efe Odugba. The third person, your friend innocent. But the ringleader, no, our chairman, your friend Odugba Benson. Munim no. There is a group by these same Nigerians. As our group, Yomato Mudin, Great Men Progressive Club. Ghana Police, do you know this group? Anamunim. Great Men Progressive Club. Munim. I know you know them. Now, do you want me to tell me Mudi say? One more hacky bank accounts, corporate organizations, individuals, bank accounts, and at the same time, so we move breach the data systems and enyoma ahodo bibri. Now, I want to ask the current IGP Ora Opon find out this. Who built the 3rd Avenue police post? The 3rd Avenue police post. I want Greater Estate. Go and find out who built it. These criminals in the sea here. Yes. Odugba Benson. 3rd Avenue police post. I want 3rd Avenue Greater Estate. Who be a Greater Estate? Go and find out who see. Me say why they see here? Sa pay. These criminals in the sea here. And it begs the question, are they been due diligence? And the Ghana police on these criminals. Do you know? And when you criminals, and you allow them to build a police post, Greater Estate, 3rd Avenue, police post, Munkobi says, why is here? You see, and they are notorious criminals. Ghana has this here. every day wɔn about hundreds of Nigerians ɛde wɔn be real kurom ha na wɔn be real man mu a yɛ wɔn be operate hardcore criminal edwuma operations wɔn wi a na wɔn asan akɔ nhu wɔn biom and most of them wɔn buy no wɔn tie use ostensibly 3 tribes and wɔn tie no wɔn operations. I don't want to mention the names of the tribes because they find them very easy to convince and wɔn bɔ braboni ɛwɔ Ghana ha. Na Nigerians, mo ye neighbors so. But the rate at which a binimu ba Ghana, mo de Ghana aye mo save haven na, mo de bone no, I think it's alarming. Papa American say, look, me, when him bone omudi wa Ghana no, I am scared. It is just scared. Sa estate no, woman e construct it. Woman construct it in greater estate wana, woman sign a bokro no heavy be power. Teshi nungwa police mo ya we. You know all these guys, and there are top police officers who know these guys. I want to keep your names for now. Now, this same group have operated ostensibly with a lot of hospitals in Ghana. Now, they operated with these hospitals. Aborted babies, the fetus, and almost no good ice chest, fridges. They call Nigeria, no Makoton. These criminals, they have operated with hospitals, secret hospitals in this country. They aborted babies. They call the rituals, I don't know. We have a lot of intelligence. You could have a lot of intelligence, which I know Ghana police, Munim, but you decided to keep a blank eye on this. And innocent Ghanaians are suffering. Police in Penifo, Motete headquarters, Sam Krofui, Ebabe Tiamuka, Busumu Bia. Na Aden, na Mofi Samu Ye, Otimbe Breu, Bombo for Bebre. The rate at which crime is swallowing all of us. Ghana police, Semiminya, the commander-in-chief of the security services, President Akufo-Addo, let the police go to bed. Let them go to bed. Let the military step in. We need the firepower of the army. Ghana speaks so now, the year came now and say, Sir, crime here, Mr. President, so one really almost be good with administration anymore. And I think it is not too good enough. But IGP, there are lots of deep intelligence you need to know about your men.
Na ebusuafo said ye papa Justice Kwaku Annan ede ansano etu dwane no na ama former IGP Mr. David Asante Apietu ababonti asese wode letter tenten said ye muhu no ewo screen no eso eno no ai wode ababa beto abonti achese wo chemu ese Justice Kwaku Annan we defame no in so many way was saying di say wo no eda Nigeria for na say akonferem for no epero eso na wonim biayam ya wo mo etete acheche sanoma we mu pa edia any woba won fa ni evidence enye den emra ememetu edwa emfa emmanum ene ye kan no ye se wan kasa wutiri ho a ye yiwo ayiboni nti justice ye ne nso mode abetu edwa no IGP former IGP hu ne say de wo kan no entro enu nti na wo se womra no me kasa ho enu nti no wa 7 no letter na no na ama no do na kasa Justice Kwaku Annan dane da ye serve letter dane ye serve letter dane ye serve letter enti wuti mi make wo fact straight wo wonsam a wo kan ho kakra se ne ebe ya nipa no at least wo ba na wo ba be kakrampo na na se nipa no wo hu so wo evidence krampo na no be nam so ma wo hu ne se there be abrante ana papa yi wonim de wo kan na dane da wo be make mere allegations keke de eto ho no mo esa de a ene edwa ye because wo adwuma wo ye no wo ye dididi wo no so adwuma wo no so ye dididi na se wo ba be gu obi hu efin just because of say wo platform ye for say mo expose enkofo na de wo ba be kan no kure enimu de a na che se wo say wo bi adwuma esu a wa ye den wa bre aye ana say ne enkofo for bra na dia wo mo agi ni tum se wo ye competent no na afi wo be ma sa obuo no ayede abre eye ase anu nti no ye justice Kwaku Annan kasa na se we nkoma wo bia se wo ka obi ho asem a make sure se asem a wo kan wo proof wo evidence enye yese enye meteye enye obi na eka na mensusu mi kwati yeye ebie dabi dia wo factor wo na wo dia na mo so de aba abonti na chese busuafo dia ba beto edwa eno se die justice Kwaku Annan ene Net2 TV ye do makopie mu wo quarter ne nyina eye ensem okokan ya ye papa David Asante epietu ehu ne se enye no kore anase wo di femi no wo se ni di eno ti wo mra memeyi ne ho ano no wo so wagye ntwefa ensem no ho enesen bra ebebetu eja otumachi eja comment section na like your videos na share or other social media platform as media any equia sikapa that's ne yebesan edi ehia ebi makam